Leveraging its robust R&D capabilities and manufacturing expertise, Sunzo Elastic has established a comprehensive range of elastic product solutions, covering disc springs, coil springs, and customized elastic components, while complying with international standards such as DIN 2093 and DIN 6796. Two specialized business divisions further solidify its foundation for delivering superior quality. End-to-end precision management across the entire production lifecycle, driven by technological innovation and supported by robust manufacturing capabilities. Sunzo Elastic delivers high-performance elastic solutions.